This is our world. With over 200 million square miles of land and water, home to millions of different species of plants and animals. There's a lot to explore, so let's get started. This is Earth 101. Today, we begin our adventure in one of the most iconic, colorful, expansive, and biodiverse areas of wildlife on the planet. It stretches over 2.2 million square miles and includes territory that belongs to 9 different nations. Do you know where we're headed? The Amazon rainforest.